Hello, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, friends. We are very happy you are here with us.
Yes, welcome back, Natural English Hub. Today, we will talk about something very simple.
Very simple, very useful. We will talk about your morning.
Your daily routine in the morning.
This is easy English practice for A1 to A2 learners.
We will speak slowly. We will use simple English.
You can listen while you cook, while you relax, or while you drink some coffee.
And you can repeat after us. That is very important.
Yes, repeat after us. Practice speaking.
If you like this kind of English practice, please like the video.
And subscribe to the channel for more easy English conversations.
Okay, let's start.
David, what time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
7 o'clock. Nice.
Yes, I wake up at 7 o'clock every day.
Friends, listen. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Repeat slowly. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Good. Do you wake up early or late?
I think 7 o'clock is early.
Yes, for some people that is early. For some people that is late.
Yes, some people wake up at 5 o'clock. That is very early.
Very, very early. What is the first thing you do after you wake up?
The first thing I do, I open my eyes.
That is important. Yes, open your eyes.
Then I sit up in my bed.
You sit up in your bed.
Yes, I sit up. I look at my phone.
Ah, you look at your phone. Many people do that.
Yes, I check my messages.
Friends, listen carefully. I sit up in my bed.
I look at my phone.
Repeat. I look at my phone. After that, what do you do?
I get out of bed.
Good phrase. I get out of bed.
I walk to the bathroom.
You walk to the bathroom.
Yes. I wash my face.
You wash your face.
And I brush my teeth.
Friends, repeat slowly. I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower every morning.
Every morning. Very good habit.
I take a shower for about 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Not too long, not too short.
Yes,
Repeat. I take a shower every morning. What do you do after the shower?
I dry my body with a towel.
Good. I dry my body with a towel.
Then I get dressed.
You get dressed.
I put on my shirt. I put on my pants.
Friends, listen. I put on my shirt. I put on my pants.
I get dressed. Repeat that.
Do you make your bed?
Sometimes.
Sometimes? Not every day?
Not every day. I am a little lazy.
That is okay. Many people are the same. You can say, I make my bed, or I don't make my bed. What about breakfast? Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast every morning.
What do you eat?
I eat eggs and toast, and I drink coffee.
Eggs, toast, and coffee. Very nice. Friends, repeat. I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
Do you eat alone or with your family?
I eat alone. I live alone.
Okay. Some people eat with family. Some people eat alone. You can say, I eat breakfast with my family. After breakfast, what do you do?
I get my bag. I get ready for work.
You get ready for work.
Yes, I put my keys in my pocket.
Good detail. You can say, I get ready for work. How do you go to work?
I drive my car to work.
You drive your car.
Yes, some days there is a lot of traffic.
Oh no, traffic in the morning is not fun.
No, it is not fun.
Friends, now think about your morning. What time do you wake up?
What is the first thing you do?
Do you brush your teeth?
Do you take a shower?
Do you drink coffee or tea?
Let's repeat some important phrases slowly.
Yes, very slowly.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I get out of bed.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I eat breakfast.
I get ready for work.
Talking about your morning is very useful in English.
Yes. People often ask, what do you do in the morning?
And now you can answer.
Yes, with simple English.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
And what do you eat for breakfast?
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you for practicing English with us.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.